everyone, Felix here, and you're watching Bennington Buses and Trains. I'm at Hurstville, gonna be Trainspotting for a while because I'll be also recording the case at retirement arriving, and I'll be meeting up with some people at Hurstville, being like a little meet and greet. Then after that, I'll be Trainspotting more, but specifically I'm here to get the case tour and meet with my friends and other enthusiasts that are there. I'll also try to meet with Matthew, so hope you guys enjoy this video. I repeated the case sets. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Also, I want to remind you guys that I might not record a lot of trains because I need to save my phone percentage because I didn't enjoy it that much, and I need to save my phone percentage for the case set, so I cannot record that much. Because of my storage. Oh well. If it is what it is, then let it be it.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times.
Alright, everyone, the case it should be retired. No. The case it should be departing like in a couple of minutes or very shortly. I don't know. I asked the driver. We're 21 minutes, so I still have time to take some selfies of the case. All of them will be posted to TikTok, or be posted to the. I don't know what to call it. We'll just see it. So yeah. So in a couple of minutes the case will be going, then I'll be off my way. So
You know, once we leave Hurstville, or at another photo stop on junctions.
no, just having a little walkthrough. Better angle of the case. And for that, I now wrap up this video for today. I collab with so many people, including Sydney Train Vlogs, Ahead Matthew Awesome, Sydney Transit Scoop, Cheese Boy, Pearl for the first time, and Anzo, Rana, Joshy Boy, the Basehead guy, all those stuff. I really enjoyed collabing with others too. More that I'm so happy that I've seen the case. I'm sad that it's gonna go soon for the new trains. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. We will all miss the case sets. Thank you for watching Trainspotting videos too. Really enjoy it. If you want content like this, if you're on TikTok, follow. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.